Open Roblox on your browser and then click on create, and you directly jump into Roblox creator dashboard. This left-hand menu, select creations. In here, select avatar items and select classics, and then classic type, select classic t-shirt, then click on upload assist. Click on upload, and now from your computer select your assist or your t-shirt file, and now go ahead and change the t-shirt name and write a description. Now click on upload, and here we can see the t-shirt successfully uploaded. Now click on your uploaded t-shirt. In here you can turn on sale, then set a price, and then just click on publish item.